current electricity, AC power generation and its transmission. AC power generation and its transmission. All electrical energy is generated in the form of AC because its generation is easy and it can be easily changed from one voltage level to another voltage level by a transformer, a static electric device, without much loss or energy. It means AC, because when it is produced, current is produced in the AC form because that is easy to generate the AC voltage. And also transmission and at a high voltage and thereafter bringing the voltage level to low level also easy. Means stepping up, stepping down is very easily done by the static electrical device called transformer. So at the generating station, voltage level of generated power is at 11 kV. kV means kilovolts, and then step up to 132 kV for transmission up to main substation. The advantage of high voltage power transmission leads to very small power loss in the transmission cables. See, these transmission cables also offer some internal resistance. Due to that internal resistance, this losses of transmission will be less when the voltage transmitting voltage is at a high level. That's why they will be transmitted at a high voltage. Then to reduce the losses, the voltage from substation is stepped down to 33 kV, which is further stepped down to 220 kV volts and distributed over the consumers. See, from this 132 kV, at a time we won't step down to 220, but in between one step is to 33 kV, then to 220 kV volts. So likewise, will be step by step step down and supply the voltage to the consumers or domestic purpose. Here, note that 220 volts is the RMS or effective value of the voltage, which is 1 by root 2 times of maximum value, the peak value of the domestic supply, which is 311 volts. Actually comes 311 volts, but its effective value of voltage is only 220 volts. So during an AC cycle, the average value of voltage is 0. Why? Because there won't be, after one cycle, completion of one cycle, there won't be surge voltage or leftover current or leftover voltage. So on completion of cycle, this positive side and negative side, this will be zeroed, nullified, or okay. There no energies are left over. That's why during an AC cycle, average value of voltage is 0. So frequency at which the power is generated is 50 Hz. So this will be, number of cycles will be 50 for 1 second. That's why it is 50 Hz. That means 1 cycle per second.